This lesson is all about how to create tension using rhythm. So this one's for all levels. We're using a simple chord progression. I'm going to tell you exactly what to play in your right hand, and it's just going to be repeated notes over and over. And we're going to look at how when we change the rhythm in our left hand, things really can change in terms of like the mood and the intensity that you feel. So this is a really great songwriting tool. Anybody can use it, so let's dive in and have some fun. We're going to begin with, let's try the key of F. So we're going to use F, so here. Then we're going to go to C. Then we're going to go to D minor, and we're going to go to B flat. So this is a pretty common chord progression. F is the 1, C is the 5, D is the minor 6, and B flat is the 4. So all I want you to do in your right hand is play F to match the 1. You're going to go down one step to E when you play the C. Then you're going to go up the back to the F for the D minor. And then you're going to go to this D for the B flat. So the right hand is going do, 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 do. So just get comfortable there. That's all you have to do with this right hand. It's going to sound so musical. So to begin, we're going to start with a really chill rhythm in our left. We're just going to play whole notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's cool. Might be kind of inspiring too, but it's not all that energetic or exciting. So now we're going to do half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So we're playing 2 chords per measure. We're starting to feel a little bit of movement, and I'm using fifths, but you could use single notes if you wanted to. So now we're going to speed it up. We're going from half notes to quarter notes, which will be like this. So you've got 4 per round. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Now we're going to do eighths. Rhythms, the ones that we all learn at the beginning, whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, and eighth notes, and we played a really repetitive progression, but we used the build of these rhythms in the left hand to create something that felt really intense, and then we just dropped it. So that was, I don't know, that's fun. It sounded really musical. I think there's a lot there that you could play with and create your own magic with. So have fun with this, and we'll see you around.